Imagine a camper van that looks clean, simple, and almost ordinary from the outside. But the moment you step inside, it feels like a tiny luxury apartment built for freedom. Today, we are looking at a $180,000 Volkswagen Crafter camper van, a compact luxury home on wheels that proves you do not need a massive motorhome to travel in comfort. This is not just a van with a mattress in the back. This is a fully planned living space with a premium interior, smart storage, a proper kitchen, a cozy sleeping area, and the kind of details that make long road trips feel easy. The Volkswagen Crafter has become one of the most popular bases for high-end camper conversions because it gives you a strong body, a comfortable driving position, and enough interior height and length to build something practical without making the vehicle too huge for normal roads. From the outside, the first thing you notice is the clean, modern design. The Crafter has a tall and confident shape, wide front grille, large windshield, and a professional European look. It does not scream luxury from outside, and that is one of its strengths. It can park near a beach, in a city street, near a mountain trail, or outside a cafe without looking like a giant RV. This makes it perfect for people who want comfort, but also want flexibility. The exterior of this camper is designed for real travel. You can imagine all-terrain tires, black alloy wheels, roof-mounted solar panels, side awning, LED lighting, and a rear storage setup for bikes, camping gear, or outdoor equipment. The side door opens wide, giving you a direct view into the living area. And this is where the van starts to surprise you. Step inside, and the first impression is space. For a camper van, the layout feels open, bright, and carefully designed. The interior uses light wood tones, soft lighting, clean white panels, and dark accents to create a modern luxury feel. Everything has a purpose. Every cabinet, every drawer, every corner is designed to save space while still feeling comfortable. At the front, the driver and passenger seats feel more like a premium touring vehicle than a work van. The dashboard is clean, the visibility is excellent, and the seating position is high enough to give you a commanding view of the road. This matters because a camper van is not only a home, it is also something you drive for hours. If the driving experience is uncomfortable, the whole travel dream becomes tiring. But the Volkswagen Crafter gives a smooth, stable, and confident feel, especially on long highway routes. One of the best features in a camper like this is the rotating front seats. When parked, the front cabin becomes part of the living room. Instead of wasting space, the driver and passenger seats turn around and create a small lounge area. This is exactly what makes van life efficient. You are not just adding features, you are making each area perform more than one job. The lounge area is compact but comfortable. There is usually a small table that can be folded, extended, or removed depending on the layout. Two people can sit here for breakfast, work on a laptop, plan the next route, or just enjoy the view through the side door. With warm LED lighting and large windows, the space feels bigger than it actually is. Now let's talk about the kitchen, because this is where many camper vans either feel cheap or feel premium. In this $180,000 Volkswagen Crafter conversion, the kitchen is built like a small apartment kitchen. You get a compact countertop, induction cooktop or gas burner, sink with running water, refrigerator, drawers, and overhead cabinets. The materials matter here. Smooth cabinet finishes, soft closed drawers, hidden handles, and durable countertops make the kitchen feel modern and expensive. The sink is small but useful, and the faucet is usually designed to save water. In a camper van, water management is very important. You do not have unlimited supply like a house, so every design choice has to be practical. The freshwater tank, gray water tank, and pump system are hidden away, but they are what make the kitchen functional on the road. The refrigerator is also a key feature. It allows you to keep drinks, food, and meal ingredients fresh during long trips. For anyone planning off-grid travel, this is not a luxury. It is necessary. A good fridge means fewer stops, better food, and more freedom to stay in remote places. Storage is one of the biggest challenges in any camper van, and the Volkswagen Crafter layout solves this with smart design. There are overhead cabinets, under-seat compartments, drawers below the kitchen, rear storage zones, and hidden spaces under the bed. The best camper interiors do not feel crowded because the storage is built into the walls and furniture. Everything looks clean from the outside, but behind every panel there is a purpose. The sleeping area is where this tiny luxury home really becomes impressive. Depending on the conversion, the Crafter can have a fixed rear bed, a convertible bed, or even twin sleeping arrangements. A fixed bed is usually the most comfortable because you do not have to build it every night. You just park, close the curtains, turn on the lights, and sleep. The bed area feels cozy and private. Soft mattress, reading lights, side storage pockets, charging ports, and windows create a proper bedroom feeling. In a small van, privacy and comfort are important. After a full day of driving, hiking, filming, or exploring, you want a sleeping area that feels calm and protected. Under the bed, there is often a large garage storage area. This is one of the best advantages of a high-roof van layout. You can store camping chairs, tools, water hoses, leveling blocks, outdoor tables, camera gear, sports equipment, and even folding bikes. For long-term travel, this garage space can make the difference between a messy van and a clean living space. Now, the bathroom is one of the biggest questions people ask about camper vans. Can a van this size really have a bathroom? In many premium Volkswagen Crafter conversions, yes, you can get a compact wet bath with a toilet, shower, waterproof walls, ventilation, and sometimes a small sink. It is not huge, but it gives you independence. You do not have to rely on public bathrooms, campsites, or truck stops every time. A bathroom inside a camper van changes the entire travel experience. It makes the van more suitable for long trips, rainy weather, remote camping, and full-time van life. Even if the shower is compact, the convenience is huge. The fact that a vehicle this size can include a kitchen, bed, lounge, storage, and bathroom is exactly why these luxury camper vans cost so much. Power is another major part of this van. A luxury camper is not complete without a strong electrical system. This type of build usually includes lithium batteries, inverter, solar panels, shore power connection, USB ports, 110 volts or 230 volts outlets, and a control panel to monitor everything. The goal is simple: live comfortably without always needing to plug in. With the right power setup, you can run lights, charge phones, use a laptop, power a fridge, cook with induction, run fans, and sometimes even use air conditioning for limited periods. Solar panels on the roof help recharge the battery during the day, especially in sunny areas. This makes the van ideal for off-grid camping. Climate control is also important. A good Volkswagen Crafter camper can include diesel heating, roof ventilation, insulated walls, and sometimes air conditioning. Insulation is one of those hidden features people do not notice at first, but it matters a lot. Without insulation, a van becomes too hot in summer and too cold in winter. A premium build makes the interior feel more like a real tiny home. Lighting plays a big role in the luxury feeling. Instead of one harsh ceiling light, this type of camper uses soft LED strips, reading lamps, under-cabinet lights, and dimmable zones. At night, the whole van can feel warm and cinematic. This is one of the easiest ways to make a small space feel premium. The design also supports digital life. Many people using camper vans today are not just tourists. They are creators, remote workers, photographers, and people who want to travel while staying connected. A small desk area, laptop charging, Wi-Fi router, power outlets, and comfortable seating can turn this van into a mobile office. Imagine parking near a lake, opening the side door, making coffee, and working with a mountain view outside. That is why this van is more than transportation. It is a lifestyle tool. It lets you travel without booking hotels, cook without restaurants, sleep without rentals, and move whenever you want. For many people, that freedom is worth more than square footage. But let's be honest, a $180,000 camper van is not cheap. For that money, some people can buy a small apartment in certain areas or a used motorhome with more space. So why would someone choose this Volkswagen Crafter instead? The answer is flexibility. A large RV gives you more space, but it also brings problems. Parking becomes harder. Fuel costs go up. Narrow roads become stressful. City driving becomes difficult. A camper van like the Crafter gives you a balance. Enough comfort to live and travel, but still compact enough to move easily. Another advantage is build quality. Volkswagen has a strong reputation in the van market, especially in Europe. The Crafter is known for its practical shape, good driving comfort, and strong platform for conversions. When combined with a high-end camper builder, it becomes a serious luxury travel machine. This van is perfect for couples, solo travelers, digital nomads, weekend adventurers, and anyone who wants a premium road trip experience without dealing with a giant RV. It can be used for beach trips, mountain escapes, long highway journeys, festivals, national parks, and even stealth camping in urban areas. The best part is how normal life fits inside it. You wake up in your own bed, you make coffee in your own kitchen, you check your route from the lounge, you take a quick shower, you open the side door, and your backyard is whatever view you parked in front of. One day it is a forest, the next day it is a desert, the next day it is the ocean. That is the magic of a camper van. It is not about having more things, it is about having the right things in the right space. From the outside, this Volkswagen Crafter camper van may look like a clean modern van, but inside it becomes a tiny luxury home with freedom built into every corner. A kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, lounge, storage, solar power, warm lighting, and smart design all packed into one vehicle. So, is this $180,000 Volkswagen Crafter camper van better than a luxury house? For space, of course not. A house will always win on size. But for adventure, freedom, flexibility, and waking up somewhere new whenever you want, this van offers something a house never can. It gives you the road as your hallway, nature as your backyard, and the freedom to change your view every single day. And that is why, for some people, this tiny luxury home on wheels is not just a camper van, it is the dream.